Chapter 1: The Science of Biology. What is science? Science is an organized way of gathering and analyzing evidence about the natural world. It is a way of observing, a way of thinking, and a way of knowing about the world. It also refers to the body of knowledge that scientific studies have gathered over the years. One goal of science is to provide natural explanations for events in the natural world. It also aims to use those explanations to understand patterns in nature and to make useful predictions about natural events. We use scientific thinking all the time in a general style of research that we can call scientific methodology. Scientific methodology involves observing and asking questions, making inferences and forming hypotheses, conducting controlled experiments, collecting and analyzing data, and drawing conclusions. But how do scientists generate new ideas? They share scientific attitudes or habits of mind that lead them to exploration and discovery. These attitudes are curiosity, skepticism, open-mindedness, and creativity. After the experiment, data collection and analysis can be a long process, but the exciting time comes when researchers share their experiments and observations with the scientific community by publishing articles that have undergone peer review. This allows researchers to communicate ideas and evaluate each other's work. Their evidence may support several hypotheses in a way that inspires researchers to propose a scientific theory, which applies to a well-tested explanation that unifies a broad range of observations and hypotheses, and that enables scientists to make accurate predictions about new situations. We should also keep in mind that science both influences society and it is influenced by society, so using science involves understanding its context in society and its limitations. Finally, biology is defined as the study of life. But what is life? What distinguishes living things from non-living matter? Simple. Living things are made of units called cells, are based on a universal genetic code, obtain and use materials and energy, grow and develop, reproduce, respond to their environment, maintain a stable internal environment, and change over time. The study of biology revolves around several interlocking big ideas. The cellular basis of life, information and heredity, matter and energy, growth, development and reproduction, homeostasis, evolution, structure and function, unity and diversity of life, interdependence in nature, and science as a way of knowing. Biology also includes many overlapping fields that use different tools to study life from the level of molecules to the entire planet. On the other side, in order to perform biological investigations, most scientists use the metric system, since many experiments involve gathering quantitative data. So, do we know what role does science play in the study of life?